Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Mahindra Blossom, which is located in Hope Farm, Whitefield East, Bangalore, a project developed by Mahindra Life Spaces. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing near the land parcel, and just behind me is the land parcel, and the main entrance starts from here. So this is the main entrance and the marketing office is right over here. So this is the marketing office of Mahindra Blossom, where you'll be getting all the information and detail, and along with it you can check out the model flat as well, and the land parcel starts from here. Now I guess you must be wondering about what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 7.8 acres of massive land parcel, consisting of 6 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement, ground plus 29 floors, offering you exclusive 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located on Whitefield Hoskote Road, opposite to Hope Farm Channasandra Metro Station in Hope Farm, Whitefield East, Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and basically this is the Whitefield Hoskote Road, and this road over this side will take you towards Hope Farm Junction. And the opposite side road will take you towards Katamanallur. And even let me show you, this is our land parcel, and just opposite to it is the Hope Farm Channasandra Metro Station. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project.
Kanduguri Metro Station, which is 1.5 kilometers
From the project, Park Square Mall is 1.3 kilometers. Next is Shantiniketan Mall is 2.3 kilometers away. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you 40 plus world-class amenities like of half Olympic-sized swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, indoor and outdoor games, garden area, multi-purpose hall and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So let me inform you that this project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK starts from 1254 to 1350 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1785 to 1900 square feet, 3.5 BHK from 2175 to 2200 square feet, and 4 BHKs of 2450 square feet super built up area. And this is the model flat of 4 BHK, and if you want to have a virtual tour of 4 BHK model flat, you can click on the link below. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Mahindra Blossoms, which is located in Hope Farm in Whitefield East, Bangalore, a project developed by Mahindra Life Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.